Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd give an update on my drip staking, how it's been going over the first month, and is it worth holding on for a longer period of time. Now when I got into drip the price was at $7.07. Now over the course of the past month I have been compounding, hydrating on a frequent basis, therefore my actual number of drip tokens has increased now up to 958. So it is about a 40% increase in the sort of 30-35 days I've been running with drip. So what I can say is that the actual 1% payout in drip per day is actually working, and that's actually a positive. The negative is actually the price has been decreasing. So for me, I've got this gone from $7.07 when I got in. The actual price now is just below $5, which if we look at the price over almost the past sort of 3 months, is kind of where it started there. But again, if you go over a longer period of time, we can see prices been sort of significantly higher than what it is now. So kind of at the lows of where it's been trading in the past sort of 8 to 12 months. Now what I tend to do is actually record my daily value, see how progress is going. And you can see from this spreadsheet and actually the conditional formatting, give it lots of colours. Yes, my actual equity stake has been significantly lower where I am now. I think the lowest it dropped down to is about $4,500, and we're now up to just over $4,700. So yes, it has been improved. But again, that was a few weeks ago. I would have expected just with the compounding interest to have covered it off as well. So what are the reasons why the actual drip token is dropping down? Are people losing complete faith in it? Is it actually coming to an end? Now what we do know is actually Animal Farm was due to be launching a week ago. That was the big launch to get people excited. And a lot of people prior to that were hydrating. They're also moving a lot of their drip out into the drip garden to get better staking and a lot of the liquidity pools. But at the same time, there hasn't been a significant launch with Animal Farm and it's actually been delayed again. Now, if that is the case and people are starting to get nervous, what's going on behind the scenes, that sort of nervousness and fear really starts to drive people away from the actual platform and the protocol and look at other things. Now, I considered it, obviously when things weren't going very well last week, price was dropping, Animal Farm wasn't launched, thought, okay, do I cut my losses and move out? But I've actually decided to stay into it, keep it holding for a bit longer and just see how it actually pans out when the actual launch of Animal Farm happens in the next day, possibly the next week. But what we are seeing is a lot of people on the Telegram chat channels, the official ones through Drip and Animal Farm, really have a lot of belief in this protocol. Could it be they are so blindsided by the fact they're getting 1% payout per day, they're not looking at the true fundamentals and actually seeing, okay, you're actually minting more coins, you're actually doing other things behind the scenes, you're not keeping to your promises of launching a new platform. Now, if the changes to the new platform are such that it's going to have a massive benefit overall to everybody, then great. I don't mind the delay. If it comes out and it's no different from what they originally said, then why did we hang on for such a period of time? A lot of people are saying, yes, the token's going to go to the moon as soon as Animal Farm is launched. I personally don't believe that. I think we can see possibly when the actual new platform comes out, people are looking to get back in with more drip tokens, more BUSD, doing their liquidity pools and obviously putting that into Animal Farm. Potentially they might go and sell more of their actual drip tokens if the payouts are better in the other platform. Who knows? It's one of those things that we're speculating, we don't know what's actually happened. All I can say is, again, from my personal experience, and again, I'm not suggesting anybody do this, it's purely my own, what's going on in my own sort of staking and investment portfolios. I'm happy to leave my initial investment into drip, at least for another month, see what happens in the launch of our platforms and then go from there. If it's looking like it's not going to significantly increase with the price of the token or the actual payouts just don't come my way, then yes, I will look to move the money back out of there into another protocol and take the loss. It's always funny looking back at where the money was before, obviously held in PancakeSwap. If I'd left it there, it would have been significantly better. I wouldn't have lost the 10% staking tax. And obviously the price of that token has gone up a little bit over the past month. So again, I would have made from that as well as the staking percentage payout as well. So sometimes it's not great to be chasing the next thing. It's sometimes best to stick with what you know, stick with reliable, stick with consistent. But again, I wanted to change. I was with PancakeSwap for a year. I'm happy to go into Drip and see how it pans out. I'm definitely going to change my strategy for the next couple of weeks, is probably actually take some payouts. So let's say the price of the token remains stable around about $5. Rather than hydrating, compounding, I would actually start to take money out for a week and then start recompounding again and just sort of take some money off the table, take some of the profits away and reduce the risk. So the main thing is with any staking, any investing, it's making sure that you're not exposed to significant fluctuation in price and any undue risk. So I hope you enjoyed my quick update on how I'm doing on Drip Token after 1 month, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers!